Hi, I'm Greg McMahon, and whether you're currently involved in your own Monavie business or you're considering starting your own Monavie business, I am really excited for you because you see, I'm here to help you today. No strings attached, and I mean that, and I'm going to prove it to you. You see, I want to help save you from unnecessary frustrations, I want to help save you time, and I definitely want to help save you some money. You see, there is a big secret out there, my friend. And all the top 3% earners in Monavie know this secret, including the Triple Crown Black Diamonds, but they don't always share it with people like you. Now, this isn't always done on purpose. You know, perhaps you don't have direct access to these leaders. But one thing is for sure, if you don't know this secret and you're not implementing it into your business on a daily basis, you are destined to struggle. Real quick background on myself. I came from corporate America. Like many people, I was trapped there, working 60 to 70 hours a week. I spent more than 10 years of my life there. And so quality time with my family, excuse me, and my friends was minimal, you know, and maybe you can relate to that. So I started looking at Monavie as well as many other ways to escape the rat race. You know, the whole idea of being able to work from the comfort of my home around my lifestyle was extremely appealing. Well, fast forward, I've now been in the industry for several years. I had my share of frustration in the beginning, that's for sure. But I've also had a great deal of success. But you see, I've also spent tens of thousands of dollars educating myself, developing new marketing skills, and refining my expertise. And in doing so, I have learned the most valuable secret that all the top 3% earners know and implement into their businesses, and I'm going to give this secret to you today for free. That's right. You see, I was serious when I said I wanted to help you today. So if you'd like a free copy of my video, what all top 3% earners know and utilize and understand and put into their businesses on a daily basis, simply put your first name and the email address you'd like me to send the video to in the form that's right next to this video, or there's another form further down the page. Either one will work. Your first name and the email address you'd like me to send that video to that outlines the secret that all top 3% earners know and understand. I will send that to you today. Okay, but before you do that, as a bonus, right now I want to start educating you in another area of your life that's going to have even a greater impact on your success. You know, I'm talking about your mindset. You see, you can have the best Monavie business with the best Monavie products and compensation plan, and none of that will matter if you don't have the proper mindset. Now, one way that I like to continually improve my mindset is by reading great books. All leaders have their favorites, and certainly a short list of my favorites would include The Traveler's Gift by Andy Andrews, Rich Dad, Poor Dad by Robert Kiyosaki, Why We Want You to Be Rich by Donald Trump and Robert Kiyosaki, and if you haven't read Think and Grow Rich by Napoleon Hill, do yourself a favor, get a copy of that book and start reading it today. It's an oldie, but it's definitely a goodie. And again, if you'd like a free copy of my video that outlines the most valuable secret that all top 3% earners know and understand and implement in their business on a daily basis, simply put your first name and the email address you'd like me to send that video to, and I will do that for you today. Now, this is Greg McMahon. I know I've been able to give you some value today. I'd love to be able to help you even further in the future. And as always, I wish you the best in health, the best in wealth, and the best in wisdom. Take care.